Welcome back to Newtonfx Academy YouTube channel. I go by the name King GK. If you're new to the channel, gang, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So, with no further ado, guys, let's up into this brang tang tang. So, yesterday we did say, is there a possibility that price will hit 13,800, gang? And we are still basically on that path to the downside. As you guys can see, we still have this. We didn't violate in this previous structure of support, so there's still a high probability that we can go test this area. So yesterday I did told you guys that there's going to be a probability that we will test this area here at 14,500. If you didn't check out that video, guys, go check out this video right now. So let's jump into our 4-hour time frame, gang. Let's jump into this time frame. What we can see right now is that price is basically trading at this area here at 14,500, and this is what we was waiting for, right? So now the bigger question is, when will you take a sell opportunity, guys? If we scale into a 1-hour time frame right now, gang, we can use also our trend lines just to see in what correct formation the price was basically trading in, and we can see that price was basically trading in a ascending in a descending corrective formation. As you guys can see, price is making its way to the upside to touch this 15,000, 14,500 reason right there, and we did break it down. So now, gang, we will wait for proper confirmation before we will execute and take this trade to the downside, and we will most likely target 13,800. And one more thing that you guys have to keep in consideration is that if we scale out to our 4-hour time frame right now, gang, is that we can see that we have this order block right here where price can also come tap into and then make its way to the downside. But that is not what we want, right? This is not basically what we look out for. What we look out for is for price to starting and showing us some form of weak rejection here at this 14,005, here at this 14,500 reason, and then make his way to the downside. But I know a lot of new traders is watching this video asking about, okay, when is going to be the right time to take this trading opportunity? First, you have to wait for proper confirmation. What I will do is I will scan down to my 1-hour time frame. I can still see that my 1-hour time frame is still in this impulsive phase to the upside. If I look on my 30-minute time frame, it's still the same structure. 15-minute time frame, it's still the same structure. So there's not basically a trading opportunity. So the best trading opportunity for you to take shorts, gang, is to wait for price to retrace back, and don't sell yet, because why, we have this area of a higher low right here. So if price reverse back to this previous area of 14,500 and take out this equal highs, then if you guys see some form of a strong momentum candle shift to the downside, that will be your entry to the downside to target this area here, 13,800, guys. So, gang, this is going to be a short video. I'm just gonna keep you guys updated on how to take this trade here on NAS 100. I'm gonna keep it coming. You know how it goes, guys. It's your boy King GK here at Newtonfx Academy. So I'm out. Peace out.